What's going on, everyone? My name is Jordan. I running this channel called Cool Creations, which you guys are watching right now. It's my first video, obviously creating graphics on this channel. I've done it on my main channel before, and I wanted to make a channel dedicated for this content, as I really want to get into it. And yeah, so this channel used to be a vlogging channel that I don't do much nowadays. If any vlogs, I'll probably put on my main channel. I wanted to change this channel because this channel's already got platform, and it's a really good start for me to grow even more. So hopefully you guys do stick around. I've got intros and outros coming for this channel pretty soon. I've just not had a chance to get it all ready in the time I've had to record this video, so I apologize for that. But give me for the next video, which I'm trying to get 2 or 3 videos out a week of doing graphic content, as it's something I'm really keen on doing. And it's something I do in college, and I just really like creating content. So hopefully you guys do enjoy this Call of Duty Modern Warfare banner. I've got the watermark for the screen recorder I use because I can't use OBS because my laptop is terrible. So that's going to be there because there's a paid version, but I don't have money to pay for it. So I'm just going to use the free version because why not? But hopefully you guys do enjoy this video. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Peace, guys. See you. Bye bye.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never